Morning, sir.
Very good morning, children. Most welcome in this oral English class. Here you can clear your all doubts belonging to English grammar. Okay.
Sir, please tell about what is tense.
Tense means time of action. It is represented in the form of varied verb forms, that is like V1, V2, V3, V4, V5. As for example, you can use the word go as V1, went as V2, gone as V3, going as V4, and goes as V5.
Sir, second question is, please tell about what are kinds of tense.
Actually, there are three kinds of tense, but each tense is of four parts. So you can remember it as 3 into 4 is equal to 12 parts. For example, first one is present tense. In present tense, there are four parts like simple present tense or present indefinite tense. Second one is present progressive tense or present imperfect tense or present continuous tense. Third one is present perfect tense, and fourth one is present perfect continuous tense. Similarly, there are four parts in past tense like past indefinite tense or simple past. Similarly, there are four parts even in past tense like simple past tense or past indefinite tense. In Hindi, you can remember its example like Ram went to the school. Ram school gaya. Here in past indefinite tense, you translate it into English. Ram went to the school. And in case of past continuous tense, in Hindi you write the term Ram school जा रहा था. Ram was going to the school. And in past perfect tense, Ram school गया था. Ram had gone to the school. And at last, in case of past perfect continuous tense, you can write Ram कई दिनों से स्कूल जाता रहा था. Ram had been going to the school for several days. In this way, you can learn about varied kinds of tense. Similarly, in future tense, you will learn four parts of sentence, four parts of this tense, that is a future indefinite tense and future continuous tense, thereafter future perfect tense, and finally future perfect continuous tense. Now you can remember all the part of this tense with the help of concerned examples. So you just note it down in your copy one by one. The example of present indefinite tense or simple present tense is Ram आम खाता है. Ram eats a mango. मैं आम खाता हूँ. I eat a mango. आप आम खाते हो. You eat a mango. हम लोग आम खाते हैं. We eat mangoes. Here the technique to learn is use s or es only with third person singular number, that is he, she, it, name, and you can note it in your diary. वह आम खाता है. He eats a mango. वह आम खाती है. She eats a mango. Ram आम खाता है. Ram eats a mango. In this way, you can use yes or yes with given verbs along with third person singular number. But when you come to translate for first person or second person, then there is no need to use yes or yes along with given verbs. As for example, मैं आम खाता हूँ. I eat a mango. तुम आम खाते हो. You eat a mango. That's enough. There is no need to add s or es along with given verbs. In case of present continuous tense, you can remember it. मैं आम खा रहा हूँ. I am eating a mango. तुम आम खा रहे हो. You are eating a mango. वे लोग आम खा रहे हैं. They are eating a mango. In this way, you can remember varied tenses with the help of examples. Finally, you come to know about present example of present perfect continuous tense. वह कई दिनों से अंग्रेजी पढ़ता आ रहा है. That means sentences ending with ता रहा है, ती रही है, ते रहे हैं. He has been reading English for so many days. In case of past tense, similarly you can remember the example of past indefinite tense or simple past tense. वह आम खाया. He ate a mango. मैंने आम खाया. I ate a mango. हम लोगों ने आम खाया. We ate mangoes. That is subject plus V2 plus object. In case of past continuous tense, you can write it. मैं आम खा रहा था. I was eating a mango. तुम आम खा रहे थे. You were eating a mango. राम आम खा रहा था. Ram was eating a mango. That is subject plus the structure is subject plus was, were plus V4 or that is V1 plus ing plus object. In case of past perfect tense, you simply write subject plus had plus V3 plus object. As for example, मैं आम खा चुका था. I had eaten a mango. Further, in case of past perfect continuous tense, you can write it. मैं कई दिनों से अंग्रेजी सीखता आ रहा था. In case of next example we see, मैं कई दिनों से अंग्रेजी पढ़ता आ रहा था. I had been reading English for so many days. Similarly, you can learn all the examples with the help of given structures. In next class, we will discuss more about future tense. This is sufficient for today. See you. All the best.